So here's how you can choose the audio output on your iPad. Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. So the audio output can be selected inside of your control center whenever you have some sort of video or music playing, whatever. And in the music widget, you have the button right there in the corner. So you can click on that and it will allow you to choose some different outputs, right? So for example, if you have the AirPods or Bluetooth headphones connected, you'll be able to select those or the iPad speaker. If you have HomePod ready or nearby, you'll be able to do that, or also connected to your Apple TV or even some other AirPlay enabled devices. So whatever is available will be able to be selected right here, and you can choose where the sound actually goes. So that would make sense, right? You can of course switch back and forth. And yeah, the audio is right here, but it can also be found within specific applications. Like for example, you go to the music and in the music player right there, you have the very same button, right? So I guess it works exactly the same, but it's only accessed differently. But at the end of the day, that's how it works. Let me know in case you have some additional questions about this. Most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and explanations like this one. I just focus on iPads, iPhones, and all of the tech that we use daily. So I just try to make your day easier with these videos. So let me know if it worked. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials.